Meaning of directionless.
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 Directionless. The term directionless refers to a situation or condition where there is no clear or definite course of action or purpose. It implies a lack of guidance or focus, as well as a sense of ambiguity or uncertainty. A directionless individual or organization may feel lost, aimless, and without a clear sense of direction. This can lead to a sense of frustration, confusion, and even despair. Without a clear direction, it can be difficult to make informed decisions or take effective action towards achieving specific goals or objectives.